Welcome to CompuLight Vibe. Are you ready for fixture manipulation? Let's see together how to program and light up the stage. It's possible to control the fixtures both with the editor hard keys and with the smart screen. Depending on your layout preference, the smart screen can be inside the page or an external window. Select one or more fixtures and discover how smart it makes the lighting control. Independently from the selection, you will always find the same smart screen's layout. Vibe will show what can be applied to the selection by highlighting the available features. All the parameters available for the current selection are placed at the bottom of the screen. If you press a parameter, it becomes red, meaning the editor has active control over it. When you press another parameter, the previously selected parameter becomes white, meaning the editor has kept that value. If the bank has more than 4 parameters, just press the bank again to view the next ones. Get familiar with the Smart Screens feature to experience the most intuitive way of lighting programming. In the Intensity bank, there are virtual sliders to set the dimmer and shutter levels. Some presets let you jump directly to the desired intensity. If the shutter has steps, they appear on the top. Set it open, closed, or make it strobe in linear, pulse, or random order, applying the frequency with the dedicated slider. Go to Settings to change the values format, such as %, decimal, or text, and the slider's resolution for parameters fine control. Use the view settings to switch between a programming view and a playback view with global sliders and aux keys. Position bank has virtual sliders for pan and tilt parameters. On Vibe PC, use the position picker to focus your fixtures. Physical control moves pan and tilt in the grid from 0 to full. XYZ coordinates can point directly to any position as they are based on the fixture calibration. Pan and tilt physical values are linked to virtual position parameters called VX, VY, and VZ. By using them, you can change any fixture model, even with different pan and tilt range, and it will focus in the right position. The color bank is extremely flexible. Virtual sliders move the single color parameters of the fixture like RGB or CMY. Filter libraries like Lee and Roscoe match the color output with the filter gels. The color picker on the top is HSI based. Tap the color and adjust hue, saturation, and intensity on the bars. Vibe will calculate the color values to match the color depending on the fixture's color system. With this virtual HSI system, any fixture model can be exchanged, even with different color systems, preserving the color presets. If the fixture has color wheels, they are shown on the right. Scroll through the column and tap the color you wish to apply. The beam bank also has virtual sliders for each parameter, such as focus, zoom, frost, and iris. Available parameters are listed on the top, displayed by fixture type. Tap on them and assign a value with the virtual slider. If they have steps, such as the frost strobe function, the dedicated button will be highlighted. Image bank opens with virtual sliders for gobos, prisms, and animation wheels. Press the virtual button or scroll through the right column and tap an image to enter the wheel picker. The first virtual wheel controls the selected wheel. Use it indexed or continuous, or tap spinning and choose the direction, clockwise or anti-clockwise, and the BPM speed. The second virtual wheel controls the rotating frames. Index the frame or tap rotating and manage the direction and speed in the same way. Here you can toggle between all the wheels of the fixture by tapping the image on the right. Use the color wheel in continuous mode to assign half colors. Select a prism or an animation wheel and make it rotate. On the shape bank, apart from using the virtual sliders, you can profile the beam by dragging the virtual shapers. Move the shapers in and out and give them angles without selecting their channels one by one, and use reset buttons to reopen them. The virtual sliders on the right rotates all of the shapers together, regardless of whether the fixture has a depth and angle, an AB side depth, or a band or blade system. The blade picker is just as simple and easy to control. Have you seen how many functions we can apply to any fixture without even knowing the actual level and channel to recall? This is the power of the smart screen, showing the available features and creating a pleasant and intuitive way of programming. The control bank contains the fixture reset options. Go here to give lamp on and off commands to discharge moving heads. The function buttons like complete reset, pan, tilt, reset, wheel reset, or color calibration depend on the fixture's possibilities. The Media Bank makes it easy to control media servers. Video and media contents are uploaded from the server. The icons show folders and files with a preview. Tap them for selection and discover the video management possibilities. Remember, you can always check the stage status on the live view. Go there from time to time to understand if you've moved the right parameters. You can use the view filter options on the right, for example, to show the source playback. Tap the display settings button to rearrange the order of the columns. Enter behavior window to make the live view jump to the active fixture and parameter. You can also list fixtures with headers per device and split them into sub-fixtures. Play with your lights and get confident with Vibe's Smart Screen Editor. Keep following us to discover more on the next tutorials.